Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study Python for Class 11. Begin by grasping the fundamental syntax and structure of Python. Concentrate on understanding variables, different data types, and how operators work. It's crucial to practice basic input and output operations early on to build a strong foundation. This initial step will set you up for more complex topics. Next, dive into essential programming concepts that form the backbone of any language. Master conditional statements, like if-else, to control your program's flow effectively. Understand and effectively use both for and while loops for repetitive tasks, which is fundamental. Finally, explore how to define and utilize functions to write modular, reusable, and organized code, making your programs more efficient. Moving forward, focus on Python's versatile data structures. Thoroughly study lists, tuples, and dictionaries, understanding their unique properties and use cases. Learn various string manipulation techniques, which are vital for text processing. Additionally, discover and utilize useful built-in Python libraries to enhance your programming capabilities and solve problems more efficiently. Consistent practice is absolutely key to mastering Python. Solve numerous practice problems daily to reinforce your understanding and build problem-solving skills. Actively work on small projects to apply your knowledge in practical scenarios, which solidifies learning. Remember to check the description for helpful resources and other great deals, including a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money. Keep coding and exploring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.